Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. In case you guys haven't already, please go on to sazanalytica.com and join the Discord channel. Really building a nice community there where we're posting some free trade signals. And they've actually been pretty fantastic. Fabian's been on a sick run. Um, and I think between the two of us, we're really able to iron out a lot of what's going to happen in the market. And speaking of that, yeah, motorist, how did you like that transition, man? Speaking of that, by the way, let's bring this thing to a 1 minute. We did have a couple signals down here. Caught them earlier this morning. Um, Obviously nothing consistent, but it's good to see that we do have support in the book. So uh, things are looking sweet. And thanks so much, Fabian, for making this thing look way better, way better. Uh, I'm learning a lot about this stuff, and as you guys know, I was more of a content-focused individual, less of a bells and whistles type guy, and I really appreciate the expertise you're fading. All right, so on to some price action. We have had a little bit since transpired since yesterday's stream. Another punch up high. We'll take a look at the daily in a sec. Just run through this. As we went higher, we can see that the orders, both bids and asks in the book on perpetual and spot markets, decreased significantly. So we have shredded the book now a couple times, and every time we do, it really punches a hole. We're due for some volatility, which we are clearly getting. Just from this one move alone, where we had the break to 30K, that's paving the road for a lot of stuff like this, since there isn't as much liquidity on the sell side book. Same with the bids. Bids aren't chasing the runs up. Sellers aren't necessarily chasing the runs down. You can see that there's a large liquidity pockets here. $100 aggregations filled with 70 packs, 60 packs, 100, 200 packs, and a little bit more on the buy side. I mean, we're talking 1 to 200 packs on average, maybe even 150 packs on average, something like that, 125 on all the way down. So we have a lot more buyers chasing the book than sellers stacking resistance, which is good. Now, a couple impulses later, we found a lower low after this 29K run. Was that 29K flat almost? Settling at 28,157 approximately, and now we're dealing with this range again. We'll see what happens, but let's take a look at how this has impacted the daily. Now, what I've been saying is we need a number of days in order to secure our position above these moving averages. We are day close one, we're on full day one, we're on full day two. So this isn't promising. To see the amount of wicks that we have here, I I can't say that it's looking super sweet right now. This big inverted hammer looking candle. But we are supported by the now intermediate moving average. Yesterday supported just below it in between the intermediate and long, which are really creating a tight spot here. So support at the 50, support at the 128, 125, and haven't really checked the 206 yet. Taking a quick look at CME gaps. Nothing new, just 3 down low. Definitely scary. One overhead, two, the big one overhead. Is this a setup for something fantastic? I'm not sure yet. We really need to convince the market that we are. We had a fake news break that pushed us above this 200-day moving average. Turned out that the Bitcoin ETF information coming out of CoinDesk or Cointelegraph, shit, I can't remember, maybe I can't remember, but one of those two, a big one, and they admitted it was an intern who fucked up, and they apologized. Um, I mean, look, it's kind of shitty, but can a manipulated market be enough to change a market? The answer is yes. We've seen this before. A manipulated market has successfully changed the outlook. Thank you. Thank you guys, Cointelegraph. A manipulated market has changed the outcome of a market, at least for a time. This was 100% tether manipulation. I know everyone. Oh, Kimo Zabi, what the fuck, man? I haven't seen your name in a long time. It's excellent to see you here, brother. On a daily or weekly chart, BTC looks like it's about to start a markup phase as per Wyckoff. I would like a sharp drop down for liquidity hunt or something. Liquidations, then nothing but up. Yeah, so let's get to that. This was all the result of manipulation. This was April 2nd, 2019. An individual purchased 7,000 Bitcoin on 3 separate exchanges. Yo, I'm happy to see you, Kim Wasabi. Um, and that was normal. And then Tether started printing 100 million tethers every day as they were being um, basically attacked by regulators for market manipulation schemes dating potentially as far back as late 2017. And they started printing 100 million a day after getting a lot of money seized. And we saw a manipulated market. I remember I was working at Block TV at the time, saying that that this entire run was manipulated and propped up by iFinex, parent company of both Tether and Bitfinex, and this was all just a fake run, That's what we were dealing with then. Now we have a Cointelegraph news article that fucking breaks us way the heck out. Top to bottom, probably bottom to top, probably around a 10% move. Low 27, high 330K. That's greater than 10% move. And is this enough to take us out of the hole? Look, the answer is yes. Manipulation can change the course of history for a market, and I believe it's possible now. What I don't like is some bearish looking candles, but that's just bearish looking candles. We're still resolving price action on the daily close above the moving averages, which is basically at this point a technical conversation versus a technical conversation, making it a neutral outcome to me. So I would side with the order book on this, and I noticed that the order book does have quite a bit more liquidity, even to the point of printing signals. Whereas in these pumps, we didn't print any signals. All right, it would be one thing if we were in a tight channel. All right, over here we did, but most on this recent action, nothing. So we definitely have bulls in the picture, which is great to see. And Kimozabi, finally caught you live. Subscribe now. Should be more active. I hope so. Hey, Kimozabi, jump in the Discord channel too for me, man. Me and my partner Fabian, we're really trying to do some serious work this time. I'm taking the streaming a lot more seriously this time around, and the Discord channel is really well done. I think we're gonna build a fantastic community. It's gonna be 10 times better than last time. So thanks for joining and subscribing now, Kimozabi. And I encourage you to join the Discord channel. It would be great to have you there. I'm posting some trades. Fabian's posting trades based on his algo presets, and he has some great stuff too. And obviously, good chat, good fireside chat that we want to get in. Some sports betting in there for motorists to spearhead all that. And yeah, I want to build a really good community. Even Bitcoin collectibles for the trading card people. Sounds like I'm actually getting notifications for Discord right now. Yeah, we're getting some more people in Discord. Fucking fantastic. Fabian, man, you're a G. Love you, man. Putting in the work. So yeah, I really want to build a community this time. The problem with Telegram last time was I was just getting so many notifications and I was lazy and I was a trader really focused on just really small time frame stuff and I was really in the zone a lot of the time. So I didn't waste words, man. I fucking was trading all day. I'm sure you guys remember that. I didn't even talk to anyone. But Discord is so organized, and we have all these different sections, and it's going to be fun for everyone. There's a lot of sports betting people out there, and I think it'll be a good place for a lot of my friends who send me messages, it's like, yo, instead of sending me individual messages, at least send them there, and it'll be a good conversation. So yeah, I really like the Discord channel. You can go to sazanalytica.com and click on the Discord link there, take you right in. And yeah, everything is really primed for fucking takeoff here. We will be I'm gonna just say this straight up, so I have no fucking excuses either. I am gonna be posting some educational content in there in the VIP channel. I'm making videos. They will come out the no later than the 22nd, and so we will be pushing my personal strategy, my personal tips and tricks, Fabian's information, his algo, his bot. We're going to be making a lot of stuff available very, very soon. So this is shit is hitting the fan in a real good way, man. Um, Higher time frame charts look like they're giving every opportunity to sell before price moves up impeded. May have one more entry at 25.8. Interesting comment there, Kimozabi. Higher time frame talk, Kimozabi. Um, I still worry about the CME gap down here, dude. With everything that's happened in the past couple days, um, I think a strong argument could be made that we're headed to clear this CME gap first here, 34,455 to 35,925. Links trade. Fabian's algo and all that is going to be in there. I can't speak for him because he's the most technical guy out of the two of us. I don't know how he's going to do it just yet, but I know it's all going to be there. Links trade, and we're going to be posting a lot of good shit, a lot more signals. He deals in more assets. He's a trader that deals with more different crypto assets than I do. So we're gonna have between the two of us a broad array of skills, and he's posting his algo, he's posting his presets for different assets, his presets for like Bitcoin or his presets for ETH or whatever, right? So Fabian's info is gonna be in there, and I'm sure if you just go in Discord and take a quick look at his calls, his algo is definitely good, man. It catches some big moves too. He's really worked hard on it, and obviously he's impressed me. I'm impressed by his work, and I've seen a lot of shit out there, man. So I'm sure you all have. So, and yeah, share Kimazabi can easily share charts with you on Discord. I'm currently in like 6 Discords, so spread thin. Gotcha, man. Well, ours will be the best eventually, so don't worry about the other 6. JK, but not really. But in the meantime, it's I really like saying hi there because I can be out like today. I gotta go meet up with a friend and smoke a cigar, and I um gotta play some darts tonight and pool, and um so I can communicate on the fly, do a screenshot from my phone. I really like the Discord channel, man. It's great. So um anyways, on to the higher time frame talk. I like the idea of moving up. Uh, this kind of broke a lot of the expectations. Very short term move. It came right back down. But we are overall, I mean, we're in an upward trajectory. Higher lows, higher highs. Um, that stays the trajectory until further notice. We will be leaving a lot of CME gaps in our wake, and that does concern me. We do have a lot of time before the halving. And could this market be like be unlike any other? Could it be totally different than any other market where we get a pre-halving bull market or something freaky like that? Very possible with all the stuff going on. No expectations of that yet, but we'll see. Even on the 1 minute chart, their links trade seems like we're headed down on the 15 minute. Even on the 1 minute, it looks like we're headed down. We're challenging lower lows, getting to a similar point to where we previously had signals and we're not getting signals. So this trade would have been a good trade for not very long. I will explain how I trade, where I trade, where I put my stop losses, and where I um, enter and exit positions, take profits, stop losses, full exits, stop and reverse. I will be explaining all that in a educational video recorded and posted in the VIP chat in Discord coming next week. 27.5, according to Fabian's analysis that I saw today in the Discord. Do I think it's possible? Well, let's see here. I really like having disagreeing opinions on price action. Um, I don't necessarily have that target in my sights just yet. 27.5 would be down here, right around. So we had some support here. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. Fabian's good though, man. His calls are not to be taken lightly. I don't have signals, so I'm not taking a long right now. I just don't see the long yet, and I couldn't say based on my analysis that that's where it'll be. I like my horizontals. This is one of my main horizontals, high 28, high 27, low 28s. That's my first area of reevaluation, and I look more moment to moment, I think, than Fabian does. So I'm curious. We'll see how this plays out. We'll just say I'm neutral and Fabian has a target. So, and I'm going to say as a neutral stance, it's entirely possible. Until I have consistent signals, nothing is looking sweet to me. And right now, we're at a period of price action where we should have consistent signals, and we don't. So, until we get them, I am scalper mentality, which is get in and get the fuck out, and with any and all money. We've had that opportunity based on this trade already. Now the next trade is wait and see. Kimazabi, even though it was the manipulation, higher highs, yeah, exactly. Painting the technicals. Kimazabi, I agree with what you're saying there. That it doesn't matter necessarily about why, it matters about what. What happened is higher highs and higher lows. And the truth is, we get that kind of manipulation in a way every week. We get weekly closes and we get weekly opens with probably the most price action of the week often. Maybe not all the time, but Fridays, I expect there to be some action. Sunday evenings, I expect there to be some action. So, and why do I expect there to be action? Because that's when you get the print of the weekly candle, and that's when you have the best ability to print the outlook on a chart for long-term time frame traders. So yeah, agreed. And 27.5 is all local liquidity. Stays above that, we should be good. Look, 27.5, we got a 246 pack and 27 flat, 278 pack. Pretty similar in nature. So 27.5 at this point is looking like a technical psychological barrier, which I agree with you guys on that front. And we have a lot of action to get there. We have 180 pack, 180 pack, 100 pack, 113 pack. A lot of liquidity in order to touch that area. So for now, it's it looks solid. Obviously, it's an area of substantial support mentally, based on technicals, local liquidity you guys are talking about. But in the book, I'm not seeing anything really sing to me. It would be one thing if I had 2.5 to 5% band signals, 1 to 2.5% band signals, but I don't have it right now. So right now it's a technical zone, it's a mental zone. It's less an order book analysis zone. And you know, everyone's analysis works a little differently. And I gotta say, I do like what Fabian's has been putting out lately, so I'm very curious. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here in 5 minutes. If there's anything we want to discuss, let's throw it out there. I gotta freaking look like a human being again. I need to shave my head and my face. Gotta play some darts tonight and gotta go be go not be a caveman. So if we're chilling, Kimazabi, now that you're back, I will say this. I am streaming a bit more. I am doing the long content a bit more. I need to figure out a way to make this camera situation work a little better. But I hope you can see stepping it up to the next level here, and it's gonna be a great time. You know what? How about this? I'll stay live while I heat up some food because I'm gonna have to eat too if I'm gonna go out and drink a beer and stuff. I made some bomb-ass Mexican rice again. That's just been coming out good every day. I'm gonna just make a big old fucking pan full of some steak from yesterday that I've already sliced up and some rice. I'm just gonna eat some rice and meat. Fucking caveman over here. But yo, this fucking Mexican rice recipe is bomb. I've perfected this recipe over many years of living in different survival-based situations, you know, fucking dorms, tough to cook in, cheap places, the garage when I was living in the garage. You guys remember the garage life, which is fucking actually pretty tight. I really did enjoy that. Wasn't such a bad time. The living so close to my cigar lounge during the divorce. All right, let's heat that up. All right, so let me make a smoothie too. All right, one of my tomatoes is already bad. This annoys me. Sometimes you buy nice fresh stuff and it goes bad in fucking a day. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, Phil C. Yo, what up, brother? Great to see you here. Kimozabi, dude. Let's get back to 2019 style. I know, dude. I know. Dude, that's why I'm back, Kimozabi. I'm back to do that. So I made the Discord channel. So even if I'm not here, or that's why Fabian made the Discord channel, but why I love it so much. Oh, Old Man Crypto. Yo, you know what? I actually heard. I'm gonna see if I could find him again. We kind of stayed in touch, and he had some health issues. Um, so yeah, we're all gonna be talking and having a good time, but yeah, um, you know, things happen. I love that dude though. He was so fun. So, all right. And I'll look forward to seeing your content there, Kimazabi will be good. Phil C, you caught me toward the end here. I'm wrapping it up. I gotta clean up and get ready for the public. Um, gotta go out for a bit. But yeah, you guys, make sure you're doing your push-ups and your sit-ups, squats. Make sure you're turning the shower water cold every day. Old man kid, yeah, old man kid. What was I saying? Oh yeah, old man kid. Yeah, he's he has some health issues. I hope we can get him back around though. We'll see. I'm gonna send a message right now. Yeah, the two D's. Yep. Let's see. He used to be here. Nope, he's gone. Yeah, he went laying low, man. Ryan S back in the fold, man. Yeah, dude. Shit. I guess I'll just leave the streaming until my food is warmed up. I'll just be hanging out. You guys always bring out the worst in me. Yo, in fucking an hour, I'm supposed to be at the bar smoking a cigar. Ah. I need a shower and shave. I look like trash. Good old fashioned trash. Yeah, Ryan S. You know what? OBS is letting me add moderators today. Ryan S. Say something. Say something again, Ryan. I love Old Man Kid. We used to go on Zoom sessions too and just hang out. Good dude. Okay. Cool. Now, um, I just sent out a couple messages to him, or to, I'm tracking him down. Fuck. I saw Volk talking shit, a little bit of Volk saying you wouldn't take this fight, and Volk's 100% fucking right there. Am I in a trade? Phil C asks. Not currently. There is a signal here, very light touch, and Phil C. Just so everyone knows, I will be posting by the 22nd. We really plan to step this Discord channel up with more uh, content available in the VIP channel, especially. I'm going to be recording my educational videos, posting them there, and that's going to include my strategy and all that stuff. Fabian's information, his algo presets, and all kinds of beautiful things. We're going to be posting a lot of content to the VIP section of the Discord channel. A lot of the information will be coming out real soon. In fact, I think we're going to even do a giveaway for a subscription, free subscription to the VIP section of Discord. So I'm not in a trade. I will be posting exactly how I would have taken this opportunity, and all that stuff will be available very soon in the Discord. But looking at this now, I'm not a huge fan of what I see. This would be what I call trading by hand. And when I trade by hand, I trade very short term time frame, very quick profits. Uh, it's a mess. But yeah. So real quick on the fights this weekend, Kamaru Usman also looks like he popped his knee or something, Ryan S. I'm a little concerned about that. Doing a little training session with Justin Gaethje, open training session. Unfortunate, very unfortunate. And Volk is 100%. Uh, Volk is 100% correct, man. Islam is he would have backed out, man. He would have backed out if the UFC probably didn't fucking make him fight in Abu Dhabi. Hey, this is your home turf, basically surrounded by Muslims. You have to fight. So yeah. There's some speculation that Kamzat is saying that the UFC made him miss weight to switch up the Diaz versus Tony card. Very interesting. Yeah, Kamaru Usman is a total fucking G though, man. He's earned all the respect in the world. Stepping over here to check on my food real quick, guys. Yo, I wish you guys could try this. Honestly, I'm pretty damn good at this Mexican rice. I can't cook like a Thanksgiving dinner, but yo, the shit that I can make is fucking bomb, dude. All right, make a couple tortillas. Straight on the stove, classic. Make some tortillas on the open stove scenario here. Let's see. Any comments? Turkey sucks anyways, yeah. I mean stuffing doesn't though. Holy cow. Any other chart comments or anything, Phil? Anyone want to throw anything out there? Don't hesitate. Kimazabi, my brother. Great to fucking see you again. Obviously, everyone is great to see you. Um, you guys know I love an active comment section, an active chat. I'm pretty. I basically have 3 to 5 minutes of content to talk about unless you guys say something, and I prefer the long content stuff. I like hanging out. Unfortunately, I can't be smoking cigars in here, but I wonder if I can go to the cigar bar. I wonder if I can make a little stream over there where I set up shop and chill at the cigar bar and fucking do some charts and smoke a cigar with you guys. That would be pretty tight. That would be pretty tight. Drink a beer. Gotta have some food in my stomach though. Ryan S. Um, yeah, there's a probably a few, but there's a guy on Twitter that does recaps, career recaps for a lot of these fighters, especially every time there's a big card. And he does a great job where he basically shows the finish and the outcome of each fight leading up to this one. And he just does such a good job. Very impressive. And I watched a bunch of them yesterday. Even though I've seen a lot of these fights, I watched Hamzat's rise to power again, you know. I watched a lot of good stuff, man. Johnny Walker, Hamzat Chimaev, um, a lot of these dudes. Oh yeah, that smell of burnt corn tortilla. Nothing like it. Four of these. Man, mouth is watering. Mexican food. I often make the claim that Mexican food is the best food, but I could say that Arab food is also some of the best food. Arab food is some of my absolute favorite food. Mensef, man, that's probably one of my favorite dishes. Fucking Mensef, dude. Shit's bomb. Shit's bomb. Alright, I'm coming back right now. Yeah, I'll wrap it up now. Food's ready. Greek food. S&P 500 looks like a buy to me. Watch the open tomorrow. We'll do a long one. We'll do Phil C. Kim Wasabi. Good to see you guys. All right. Talking there. Evening, Cassie. Cass Bundy. LT, what's up? What exchange am I using? You guys, I'm gonna post the exchange and the bonus very soon. I'm gonna be doing copy trading. It'll be October 22nd that the bonuses go live. I can post the link in Discord um for the exchange. My affiliate link is gonna get you some bonuses, but the bonus won't come into effect until bonus won't come into effect until October 22nd, so I was waiting. But you know what? I'll try to post it so you guys can start looking around. Create your accounts. I'm gonna be working on more bonuses to come, by the way. This is a good exchange, up and coming type stuff. So I'm gonna be able to negotiate numerous bonuses. The first one's gonna be an easy peasy one, you know, $500 type thing. But I'm gonna get some volumetric bonuses for bigger spenders, and you know, I really want to keep the bonuses coming to my people, you know. So you guys, I'm sure you remember back when I was streaming and trading a lot back in the day, a couple years ago, I was always pushing out some sort of bonuses, you know, matching deposits, you know, up to probably a couple G's and stuff like that. Hey, that's all helpful to us, you know. Right now, the one I'm working on is a deposit that's gonna put your bonus toward your 50% off your fees. So it'll give you 50% off fees for however long it takes for you to trade and use up that bonus. And I'll keep, so essentially you're getting 50% off all trades. And if you trade like me, that's a lot of money. Uh, but I'm going to be working on more stuff. So, all right, guys, much love to you all. Um, gonna get some traction here for sure, Kimazabi. I'm gonna be working, getting more streams going on. Fabian's been putting in his work, so I better get my ass moving twice as fast. Much love to you all, guys. Take care. Do your push-ups. Turn your shower water cold. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Stay mentally stronger than you've ever been. And I'll be talking to you guys tomorrow at the latest. All right. Much love. Peace.